Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Check your NVIDIA driver and CUDA version because mismatches break the link. Once done, create an isolated conda or virtualenv so you can install GPU builds without system conflicts. Next, install the GPU-enabled framework that matches CUDA, PyTorch, or TensorFlow using the exact build. Make sure packages report GPU support, run a quick import, and check CUDA is available or TF. Test, is GPU available to confirm the environment is ready. Now you connect Jupyter to that environment. First, install ipykernel within the GPU env so Jupyter can use it. Once installed, register a kernel name that you'll recognize, for example, GPU env. This creates a selectable kernel in Jupyter. Next, launch Jupyter Lab or Notebook from any location, then choose the GPU env kernel in the top right kernel selector. After switching, run a simple GPU test cell to import Torch or TensorFlow and print available devices. Confirming the kernel, finish by running a small GPU workload, like a tensor matrix multiply or moving a model to CUDA, to ensure computation occurs on the device. If you don't see a GPU, stop and verify three things. The driver is installed, the CUDA toolkit version matches your package, and the framework build supports that CUDA. Once checked, restart the Jupyter kernel and clear caches. If problems persist, reinstall the exact GPU wheel or conda package. One key tip: mismatched CUDA versions are the most common failure point.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.